Populating array in DOS batch script. How can I set up an array variable in a DOS batch script? I would like to load it with a list of file names to process. I really would like to keep this as simple as possible. Thank you.
I figured it out. I did something like this several years ago, so it just took some figuring out. BTW, I hate reinventing the wheel. Now that it's posted here, hopefully others will find it useful too.
Yes, you can do arrays in batch. While they aren't exactly like arrays in C or VB, you can do it.
From Jakash3's blog, Arrays in Batch describes how to emulate arrays in the command prompt. A batch file named array.bat is included in the article, that contains a library of functions used to handle arrays. You will need to select the text in the article and paste it inside the bat file. For example, the following test script. Generates the following output.
This populates an array and prints it. You could use names1, names2, names3, rather than names1, names2, names3, by writing names I instead of names I. It produces the array by generating variable names. There isn't an array structure in batch, but it is as neat as any array structure, and populating or printing looks exactly like how one would populate or print an array in a proper language that actually has the array structure. The output. Some explanation. The set local enable delayed expansion enable extensions with the var rather than %var% is necessary to prevent odd behavior, so that variables behave properly when within a for or an if. It's an oddity with batch files. See set ? Where that is mentioned further. This is what populates the array, and is pretty straightforward to anybody that knows about arrays. You could also do names 0 equals Bob, names 1 equals Tom, names 2 equals Joseph, though one of the beauties of an array is the ability to populate an array with a loop, which is what I've done here. This displays the array. %f if you echo it you'd see will go from 0 to the last index of the array, in steps of 1. So we'll print names 0, names 1, names 2.
Hypnotic Puzzle2